Heatstrip Max is perfect for difficult to heat exposed outdoor sites and alfresco areas with high ceilings. Designed with unique low-glow heating technology, the heating element provides a mild and unobtrusive glow as energy is directed towards producing heat rather than unwanted light. With maximum heat performance, it is great for commercial or residential applications. The Heatstrip range is built to last from corrosion-resistant materials and will perform in even the toughest environments. The award-winning engineering of all electric and gas heaters results in higher output and lower running costs. A focus on design ensures Heatstrip is also the best-looking outdoor heater available. Add to this the easy DIY installation for most models and the 2-year residential warranty for all heaters. With over 30 years manufacturing experience and worldwide distribution, with Heatstrip heaters, you can rest assured that you are getting the best quality available at a great price.